When your life's work is on the line, guessing isn't an option. Wall Street private equity firms control trillions in capital. Their incentive is simple: buy great Main Street businesses for the lowest price possible. Essential services, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, landscaping, restoration, are non-discretionary, fragmented, and cash-generating, exactly what private equity targets. Without competition, founders get absorbed quietly and below value. With the right process, outcomes change. We built the advisory to give Main Street founders the same sophistication, leverage, and competitive process Wall Street has always had. We're FINRA licensed, tech-enabled, and focused exclusively on essential services, because results matter. Our approach drives speed and competition, offers in about 30 days, closings in 90 to 120 days, and access to 1,000 plus qualified buyers per deal. That means higher offers, often up to 50% more, with zero upfront fees and a success-based model. We only get paid when you do. When buyers compete, valuations move. Speed creates leverage. You only get one exit. Run it the right way.